Okay, I bought a huge box of video game stuff, a video game lot that I'm going to go through and open, and this will probably be what my next bunch of videos is going to be on. Me going through testing and fixing stuff, but I just wanted to do unboxing and kind of show you guys stuff that I get. I already pulled this out. This is a boxed Wii Fit balance board. I don't know if it works. I'm also gonna go get a towel and some rubber gloves because gamers are gross. Okay, I'm gonna put the towel down in front of me, and then I got some rubber gloves. We'll start going through this. I think this lot specifically is mostly just Nintendo Wii stuff. Surprisingly, Nintendo Wii stuff still sells, not for crazy amounts, but I've had a couple boxed Nintendo Wiis that I've sold, and yeah, I don't know. Let's just go through this. This is not a Nintendo product. This is for Xbox. It looks like a 360 Slim. We have a ton of Wii remotes. This looks like a rechargeable battery one. I personally don't like these. I think they're third party. Here's a big bundle. Big bundle of Wii remotes here. The nice thing too about when you buy and sell stuff is a lot of this packaging I get to reuse when I sell things. Like I have stacks of boxes and bubble wrap, paper for stuffing in boxes. There's one Wii remote. I'm gonna have to do a lot of battery dumping. I hate that people leave batteries in this stuff. This one actually looks like it's in pretty good shape though. One Wii remote. Disgusting Wii remote. That is... Oh man, that's horrible. That is just pure grossness. It's like somebody freaking rubbed it in dirt or something. Here's another one that looks like it's in better condition, not as disgusting. Definitely needs cleaned though. Here is a Wii remote with a pink back, and the batteries were left in it. Corroded, lovely. Disgusting, but kind of cute. There's a sticker on there for $20. Two more Wii remotes with batteries. This one's not as gross, but needs cleaned. This one also has batteries, corroded. This one's disgusting. Needs cleaned. I don't want to clean these either until I find out if they work. Because if they don't, then I'm just going to have to fix them or put them in a bulk lot and sell them. Another Wii remote. Ooh, this one's got a cute little back that is filthy. Just disgusting. Gamers are gross. Another Wii remote full of batteries. And the final Wii remote. Not as disgusting. Has batteries in it. These will need cleaned. Definitely need cleaned. 10 Wii remotes already. This looks like a Atari game. It's Journey. Journey Escape. The album. I have no way of testing that, so I will just list this as untested. It's not in terrible shape though. Oh, we've got some cables. It is. Oh, awesome. Here's one Wii, by the way. I've got so many Wii consoles in here. This one doesn't have a faceplate. But what I'll do is I'll go through all of these Wiis, and the ones that work I will fix, or at least take parts off of others, like that door. If this one works and I find another one that doesn't, I'll take the door off of one that's broke and put it on this one. This Wii's not in that bad a shape, honestly. So there's one Wii. We have two Mario Kart wheels. Yeah, people like Mario Kart. I think these will sell. Here's a third one. This one's a little bit different. Here is a Xbox 360 wheel. I've never actually seen one of these. It has to be motion control because there's no way to twist. What else do we got? We've got golf accessories. I'll just go ahead and open these. It's kind of cool, I guess. I need the other parts though. I can't just have this. So this literally could just be garbage. And then I got these Wii wheels. I'm gonna go ahead and open those to make sure they're not disgusting. This one is kind of gross. It's got spider webs on it. This one's definitely cleaner. I can go through and clean that one a little bit better. And what we got here? We have Zumba, the Zumba strap for Wii. Stick the Wii remote in the front by your belly. Look at that. We have a nunchuck that's actually fairly clean and good condition. We have two more Wii remotes that are very clean. And then we also have the sleeve for one of them. We have the power brick for one Wii. This is a bundle of sensor bars, which I'm not going to pull out. That is nice. There's a lot of Wiis in here. Here's an Ethernet cable. It's probably going to go in the garbage. Another Xbox 360 Slim cord. Ooh, we've got a black nunchuck. That's pretty cool. You don't see that very often. What else do we have? This looks like another power brick for Microsoft. I don't know what this powers. That is a nothing burger to me. We've got Wii display cables. Got another power brick. We've got another sensor bar, which I think there's more Wiis here than cables. So I'm going to have to be doing some pairing. We'll figure it out. Another power brick. This looks like a third-party power brick. It's lighter. It's definitely cheaper plastic than the official Nintendo ones. But it works. And I would say the majority of people don't care. They just want things that work. We have an N64 adapter. This is the power supply. Third party. I think I do have some N64s though that I can keep that for. Okay, we have more remotes and nunchucks here. There's one nunchuck. Kind of gross. I have to clean that. Here's another nunchuck, which is extremely filthy. Definitely gonna have to clean that up. The final nunchuck in here is actually fairly clean. Still needs more cleaning. And then the Wii remote with batteries. Woohoo! We've actually got more in here. We got another nunchuck. Gross and yellow. But I need another Wii remote with batteries. Oh wait, no, this is a chargeable. Rechargeable batteries. I don't like that. Looks like we have another power brick. That's nice. So we got a total of 4 power bricks. Oh, actually, 5. 5 power bricks, and this one has the display cables. We have another N64 adapter, third party, of course. What do we got here? Got a power cable of some sort and 2 more displays. So we've got a total of 4 displays and 4 power bricks. Got some manuals. Got 1. We've got 2 manuals. We have an HDMI cable. I have so many of these. But here we go. We have 5 Nintendo Wii consoles here that I'm going to open up and assess the damage. See how gross they are. This one ain't bad. That door is bent. So that's 2 Wiis that we have. Here's Wii number 3. Decent shape. It's not that gross. Just a quick little clean on this guy and we should be rolling. This one is gross. And it doesn't have the doors. The ones that are really disgusting, I don't really have high hopes that they're going to be working. I have a graveyard of Wiis already. This one ain't bad. Definitely gross. And will need a clean. By the way, like, this was a combination of things listed as broken and working. I don't really know. When you buy lots of stuff like this, like a lot, not a bunch of things, but a lot of things together, you just never know what you're gonna get. So this one, Wii console and 10 games. This is in an Amazon package. Okay, thick layer of wrap. And our final Wii console in the best condition. Best one we've seen. It's clean. Doors are nice. There's an SD card in there. 256 megs from Kodak. Watch this one be the one that doesn't work. All the nasty ones do. That is it though. I will take off these gloves and show you guys this big pile of crap. There's all this Wii stuff. Don't mind the Xbox stuff or that PS3 that's hiding under there. Those are other projects I have. So we have this freaking pile of Wiis. So many controllers, cables, cords. We're gonna have to sort it all, organize it, bundle things together, and we will go from there. But that is it. This will be my project for the next couple days, going through, sorting, fixing, and making videos on this stuff. So be looking forward to that. And then I also got 2 more boxes of a bunch of video game stuff that I will be doing in the near future as well. So that is it. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Bye.